Imagine if the majority of sales activity in your business was automated so that you no longer had to worry about your leads being properly nurtured. I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can automate in your business to increase your sales that, when implemented by my client, increased their sales by over 1,300% in 7 days completely on autopilot. Hi, my name is Justin Keltner, and on this channel, we're going to be talking about technology, marketing, systems, sales, and how to improve both the quality of your business and the resulting quality of your life. We're all about working smarter, not harder. And that's why we help our clients so much with things like automation and streamlining their work. And also, of course, generating more leads, but in much more efficient ways than they were doing before. If you're interested more in learning about this topic, you can actually check out our call funnel guide, where we were able to increase that client's call bookings by over 1,300% in just 7 days. It's going to be below this video, and you'll be able to download your free copy. So let's get right into it. What are the main things that you can automate in your business to increase sales? So number one is email. Now, a lot of people say, all right, well, I don't really subscribe to people's email lists, or email is something that's dying. It's not really the new thing, the new shiny object, whatever you want to call it, or whatever somebody's trying to sell you into right now in terms of like the next greatest thing. But here's the thing. Email, although it's an old technology, still works and still is more or less reliable if you know how to use it. Now, what specifically do we automate in terms of our email marketing? Well, there's a few things that we do, but first, and probably the most important, is the sequence of emails that a person gets when they actually opt into a thing on your list. A lot of people will just go and send 1 or 2 emails, and then they don't have any type of ongoing strategy. The way that we like to do things is, if there's a person that subscribes to your list that maybe opts in for your lead magnet, and they're a new person to your list, we send them a welcome series. And that welcome series will talk a lot more about you, about your brand, about your philosophy, the things you believe in, how you work as a business, and other success stories and other things that may not be directly related to the thing that they opted in for, but are related to the kinds of questions that your people are asking and are related to the types of things that you do within your business. So that welcome campaign helps you stand out, because you're not just talking about, for example, search engine marketing. If you're an SEO company or an SEM company, you can also talk about other aspects of their business that maybe that search engine optimization or that search engine marketing will actually help them solve, such as getting higher quality leads. So maybe in that welcome series, you give them information about other aspects of business, of marketing, that they need to be applying within their organization in order to get the results that they would ultimately like to get, and why they signed up for your lead magnet in the first place. You don't want to just talk about the thing that they opted in for. Now, of course, you do also have the engagement or conversion series, as it's sometimes called in the industry, which are the specific emails that people get about the thing that they opted in for. So this might look like, here's your guide, did you get it? We have an email that goes out after about a day or so of them opting in that looks like a personal message from a member of our team, and it says, hey, could you please just let me know if you got that thing that I sent? Then you have a couple follow-up emails, perhaps getting them to buy either a low-ticket product that's directly related to the thing that they opted in for, or it could be to get them to book a call with you or a member of your sales team, and you would position that call in a way where there's really clear benefits to that person of signing up for that call with regards to the need that they expressed when they first came to you. Now, the next thing that we automate, and this happens also very, very soon after that opt-in, is we have a text message that goes out to them. So depending on the kind of system you have, you may need an explicit opt-in text message where that person will actually respond to the message and say, yes, please go ahead and send me more text messages about your business, about this topic. In other cases, maybe you just have a checkbox on the form that complies with whatever the requirements are in your industry, and also in your area and on the platform that you're currently using for text message marketing. So we might follow up with them with a text message, similar kind of thing. Did you get the guide? Let us know. And then a lot of times we'll also ask a question like, what was it that you wanted to learn more about when you first downloaded this guide? Or what was the question that you were trying to answer when you got this? Or what made you sign up for this in the first place? Because that allows us to actually uncover the pain points that that person is experiencing and what actually brought them to us in the first place. And that allows us to segue the conversation one-on-one. You see how there's this really cool mesh of the personal interaction and also the technology to automate it, because we don't do automation for everything. We do automation in order to actually screen leads, to filter the best ones to the top, and to give us or our salespeople the ability to know exactly what sorts of challenges and issues our prospective clients are dealing with when they come to us, and be able to solve those problems for them. So that's the high level of how the text message strategy works. Then the third thing that we automate is our voicemail drops. So these are audio files that we can record on our computer or on our phone, and they actually will get delivered to that prospect as a voicemail, a ringless voicemail message that they just see, like somebody tried to call them, it was a missed call, and it went to voicemail. That's how it shows up on their phone. It doesn't actually ring. It goes straight into their voicemail and on their usually cell phone, but it typically does work for landlines as well. It'll just go straight into their voicemail, bypassing the phone. So not only do they see a missed call from you, but now they also see the voicemail, and they see the voicemail transcript typically as well. So those are the three things that we recommend that any business owner do to increase their sales. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and definitely check out that funnel guide below this video. It'll give you detail into all of these things, and we'll be able to stay in touch and share more marketing and sales insights with you. Alrighty, catch you on the next one.